Yes, sir. Well, hello tribe. Welcome back to yet another video of Just Living Life channel. Well, today tuko hizi maeneo za Lavington. We are deep within Lavington, and I'm about to give you a house tour of this show house that is ready. It's up for sale for 7.5 million. It's 73.8 square meter, and like I mentioned, this is up for sale at 7.5 million. And you know the drill. You can give me a call on 0729 209 905. And guys, let's get right into it. Let me show you this amazing, beautiful one-bedroom show house. Well, some of the amenities in this property are large swimming pool area. We have a fully equipped gym, a kids play area, a rooftop garden lounge, 24-hour security service with CCTV, multiple high-speed elevators, 3-level basement parking. So, well, walking right into the house. This is an amazing property done by Leisure Developments. This is Leisure House 1 in Lavington, Nairobi, Kenya. Right as you walk in, to your right, there's this beautiful deco console here with this lovely, nice touch candle lights. This one-bed house is a 73.8 square meter in space. Right here you've got your dining area. There's your door, huge door with the multi-locking system. You have your dining area right here, which should sit probably 5 comfortably. Got some beautiful artwork right on the dining wall there. It's quite spacious. Moving on from the dining area, you've got your living room area with the lovely TV backboard done in I think that's vinyl wood. That's your TV wall right there, looking flush. Got this amazing light chandelier right above your living area. So guys, this is just a show house. All this doesn't come with the house, the furnitures and the decors. We've got a lovely 3-seater couch right here with more decor above. So this house has these larger floor-to-ceiling windows for that natural light. It's wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling windows just to get in that natural light. Above we have this nice fitted gypsum ceiling with the downlights looking amazing. The chandelier is bright. So your living area is fairly spacious. Admit. You can fit an extra couch right here, maybe a two-seater, and it will fit perfectly. Won't squeeze up the space. Coming back to the dining area, right beside it, we have our kitchen area. Kitchen area is spacious, large enough, and there's a compartment fit your refrigerator. Well, the thought of that, it's huge, can fit your double-door fridge. Just so you know, if you happen to have it, a large fridge, it will fit perfectly. The kitchen area is fitted with these lovely looking cabinets for storage. Don't mind that. Yes, like I told you before, this is a show house. We have a sink here with a lovely faucet. Beautiful stainless steel faucet there. Deep sink. Have more cabinet space up above. Outlets all over your counter space, so you have fixed appliances. Nice looking granite countertop right there. At the far end here, we have a provision for your gas hob. Looking nice. Above it, we have a wood extractor right here. And below, there's provision for your oven inbuilt. So all your fixed appliances will be inbuilt. I'm not sure whether that comes with the house, the oven and the gas hob. I'll find out. So moving on from the kitchen area to the little balcony space, there's a provision for your laundry machine, washing machine right here. Power outlets, fix that. Drainage with more than enough water inlet provisions. Once again, it has that floor to ceiling window door to let in that natural light. And now, right from the kitchen area, as we go past the dining area into the living room, we can make our way to the bathroom area. Nicely fitted. You have your small meter there for natural light. Right in the bathroom, you have your glass enclosed shower space. Beautiful fitted hardware for your shower. Well, it's a little tight, but it will do. Probably would have made it bigger because we have all the space here. Right off the bathroom, have our sink area right here. Some cabinet storage as well, and a couple of pull-out drawers, soft close. Have your vanity here, your beautiful mirror, having that mirror light. Hey guys, how are you? Well, that's me. Well, right after that, we have your spacious bedroom right here with a floor to window, with a floor to ceiling windows, letting that natural light, with a little private pouch here, floor to window ceiling. You can have little setup there, right there, having a little couch here, one on the other end. So you just have a seat here, read your book, listen to music, or just get lost in your thoughts. All right, back inside the bedroom space. This is a 5x6 bed, fits perfectly with the bed consoles on each side, and still there's a ton of space. So guys, that shows you this is not a small bedroom by any chance. Nice artwork about the bed right there. Have your TV wall there, nice high ceiling, amazing chandelier with some downlights as well. So on the other side of the bed, you have yourself a beautiful closet space with these shelvings. We've got some pull-out drawers here as well. Well, these are not soft close, but they feel nice. Cabinet storage down below. More cabinet storage with some shelvings. More cabinet storage. More cabinet storage. I think they'll fix the railing on that right there to hang your clothes. More storage down below. So that's it guys for this unit. So like I mentioned before guys, this is a 1-bedroom apartment in Lavington. It's for sale for 7.5 million. The apartment is 73.8 square meter in size, and if you are interested, kindly give me a call on 0729 209 905, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Cheers. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and let's exchange views, have a chat in the comment section.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.